Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. AI generated code has become one of the biggest debates in software development. Some developers see tools like GitHub Copilot and coding agents as productivity boosters, while others fear they could flood open source projects with low quality, insecure, or poorly understood code. And now, Linus Torvalds has made his position clear. Linux is not an anti-AI project, but the headline saying Linus has joined Microsoft's AI Code Club is mostly dramatic wording. He has not joined Microsoft or announced any partnership. The real story is that his opinion is similar to Microsoft's view that AI can be useful as long as humans remain responsible for the final code. The discussion began around an experimental tool called Sashiko. It is an AI-powered review system designed to examine Linux kernel patches and identify possible bugs before they are accepted. Some kernel developers were concerned about AI generated review comments being sent directly to contributors. They argued that humans should verify the feedback first because AI can make incorrect suggestions, waste developers' time, and create more work for maintainers. That is when Linus stepped into the discussion. He said Linux is not an anti AI project and described AI as simply another tool. According to him, the technology should be judged based on whether it is technically useful, not rejected just because some people dislike AI. He also said that developers who strongly disagree are free to fork the project, which is always possible in open source software. Now, this does not mean the Linux kernel will suddenly accept random code copied directly from ChatGPT or another AI assistant. Linux development still depends on strict reviews, testing, documentation, and human accountability. The developer submitting a patch is responsible for understanding the code and making sure it works correctly. And honestly, this is the most important point. There is a big difference between using AI to assist an experienced developer and allowing AI to replace the developer. AI might help find bugs, suggest test cases, explain unfamiliar code, or review a patch. But blindly submitting generated code without understanding it could create serious problems, especially inside something as critical as the Linux kernel. Linus also appears to have become more open to AI tools. In the past, he was more cautious and questioned whether AI coding was truly useful. Now he believes its usefulness is becoming harder to ignore, although that does not mean AI is always accurate or should operate without human oversight. This debate is much bigger than Linux. Open source maintainers are already dealing with AI generated bug reports, patches, documentation, and pull requests. Good AI contributions could help fix issues faster, but bad contributions could overwhelm maintainers with convincing looking but incorrect code. So the real question is no longer whether AI will be used in software development. The real question is how it should be used responsibly. In my opinion, Linus is taking a practical approach. Completely banning AI may be unrealistic, but blindly trusting it would be equally dangerous. AI can assist developers, but the human submitting the code must understand it, test it, and take responsibility for it. What do you think? Should AI assisted patches be accepted in the Linux kernel if they pass human review, or should critical open source projects place stricter limits on AI generated code? Let me know in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.